Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am bringing you along for some rearranging that Dan and I recently did over the weekend. It was actually a brilliant plan that I had on my part. So we did some rearranging. I did some organizing of my oils, changed the sheets, just, kind of picked up, pulled our lives back together. We've been going for like 3 months straight. With that being said, let's hop into this video. All right, so is everybody ready for the brilliant idea that I had? I literally woke up one morning and was like, wait a minute, why don't we switch the couch from our bedroom to the office and from the office to the bedroom? The couch that's been in our bedroom, I think, is like a perfect fit and looks really great, but it's not even close to as comfortable as our office and the couch, which, by the way, is the same couch that we have downstairs in our living room. It's called the Cloud from Restoration Hardware, and it's the most appropriately named piece of furniture that I've ever owned because it is a legitimate cloud. So we decided that even though this couch is definitely bigger, it's almost a little too big for this room. And we employed Bowser's help to carry in the cushions. No, we didn't. Dan made me film that on a side note. Anyways, we decided that we cared more about it being comfortable than it being the perfect fit because we really do love this couch, and I just felt like it wasn't getting enough use in the office. And the other cool thing about moving that couch back over to the office is I feel like it serves the purpose of the space better. It's firmer, so if we're packaging things, or like if my dad is in town playing guitar while I'm playing piano, he has somewhere firm to sit, as opposed to this couch, which you can clearly see is like Lounge Central USA, which is perfect for watching movies and shows, and we have a big TV in our bedroom, so it's just awesome and makes our place even comfier. So then for a hot minute, we actually thought we were going to keep the round table on this side of the couch with my record player. We actually ended up scratching that, and we moved the table back to the office and put the record player on my bedside table, but I don't even think I got that on film. We did decide to move the rug over, which was quite an ordeal and took a little bit, but was worth the fight because it totally ended up working better when we moved it. And once we got that couch settled in, we moved our bedroom couch into the office. It's way smaller. It doesn't take up even close to the amount of space. But like I said, I kind of like that, and I like having a firm seat in that office. By the way, I have a bunch of mystery boxes that I want to be giving away soon, so I'm gonna be doing a giveaway in the info box of this video, so check it out if you want to enter to win a mystery box. So back to my bedroom. After we had swapped everything out, we decided that it was time to change the sheets. We change our sheets every week. Maximum would be 2 weeks, but that would be like really pushing it for me personally. I like to do it once a week. I am a bed sweater. That's so gross, but you guys have heard me say that before. I sometimes just get night sweats, so changing them frequently just makes me feel better about my sleeping situation. So then I decided to gather up my laundry to start a load. I actually started a white load, and while that was going, I just kind of cleaned and organized everything in my closet. My closet is kind of a dumping grounds for me for everything that, purses, shoes, dirty clothes, clean clothes. And so sometimes I just have piles in there, and they have to just be sorted through and dealt with. And I actually had a purse full of essential oils that I had brought up from downstairs because Shayna and I had just filmed a bunch of videos on essential oils. By the way, if you didn't see that, my last video, we talked about 3 diffuser blends that we love. So I will link that down below as well. So we made the bed, changed the sheets, put on a duvet cover. I love having a duvet cover over my comforter so much, on a side note. At this point, while I was cleaning out my side table, I decided it was the perfect time to take my probiotics. These are my favorite probiotics by far. Go ahead and Google them or look them up on YouTube because it's a really interesting product. So I took 2 probiotics and then got back to, I was going to say bagging up my comforter. That's not right, but it's kind of like a bag, the duvet cover. So I put the duvet cover back on my comforter, buttoned it up, and just finished the rest of my bed. It's very exciting times. At this point, like I do in every room when I get it clean, I turn on my diffuser. So today I did a blend of Christmas Spirit, which I don't use super often, but when I do, I love it. And I mixed it with Tangerine. So I just brought some water over, filled up my diffuser, popped it in my oils, and basically was in heaven. Lightly organized them. And then I moved into my bathroom and I just kind of took care of like little tasks in the bathroom that I wanted to take care of. For example, consolidating my 2 bottles of Purity Made Simple into 1 bottle. Very important. And then I took everything off of my countertop and I took my thieves cleaner and I sprayed everything down and just gave everything a nice thorough wipe down. I love the smell of this stuff. I know I say that every time I do a cleaning video, but I do. I love that I no longer, I don't know, like when I used to clean, I always felt like it was like every vent on, I'm choking on fumes, just a really intense feeling when you're cleaning in your fingers and your lungs. And I love that I don't deal with that anymore when I clean. Plus I'm always simultaneously diffusing oils. So there's that. And on this night, I actually got carried away. I say carried away because it's not something I do all the time. And I decided to clean my floor and my corners. You know how like once you actually do something like that you don't feel like doing, then you spot every little like piece of dust and dirt and you're like, this is off, even though you were living in like way grosser before you become nitpicky. It's totally what I did to the floor. And then this was my room. It was so cozy after a day of like getting furniture rearranged, cleaning things, having laundry going. It was just a super relaxing vibe and a great way to end my day. Also, these blankets, this is the softest blanket in the world. I feel like I haven't talked about these enough. My mom actually makes these. This is from her line called Don't Freak It's Faux. How amazing is that name? I will link that down below as well. So many links. Be sure to remind me, guys, if I forget anything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Although I will say, once everything was clean and done and I stood back and admired my creation, I decided that it was time to end the day with a bath. So I put a stress away bath bomb into my tub and just got in and had the most amazing night. So yeah, guys, that brings me to the end of my video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and if you want more videos like this. I love watching these kinds of videos, but every single time I get like paranoid, like, is anybody gonna like this? So if you do and you want them to keep coming, just let me know and I will see you back here on my channel soon. Okay, bye guys.